Two men and a truck cost, prices, rates, and tips moving can be one of the most stressful life events, but hiring professional movers can help make it a breeze. In this video, we'll break down the cost of hiring two guys and a truck, what factors impact the price, and tips on saving money while getting the best moving experience. Stick around for everything you need to know about pricing, services, and why three movers might be the best choice for you. So, how much does it really cost to hire two men and a truck? On average, you can expect to pay between $80 and $100 per hour. But several factors come into play: how far you're moving, the size of your home, and even the time of the year. Here's what you need to consider when budgeting for your move. Distance, local versus long distance moves. Home size, larger homes equal sign. More belongings to move timing. Moving in the summer or on a weekend can increase costs. Extra services. Need packing, storage, or junk removal. That'll add to your total. Factors that impact cost, distance, home size, timing, season, weekends. Additional services, packing, storage. Contact us for a quote at www.threemovers.com or call 1-888-202-0036.